Hello. So I started this project during last year, 2025, and as usual, I'm going to refine it this year, the following year, 2026. This is how it's looking today. I didn't do anything yet, and I'm going to prune it a little bit to try to keep its current shape. So let's do this. I might prune off this part here later, not yet. I want to, because if I prune it now, I believe that the tree is going to lose some of its strength. So I'm going to keep it, but later, next year maybe, I'm going to prune this part here and leave the tree like this. And I think that's it for today. Have a great week. Take care. See you next weekend. Bye bye.